Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Canva password using the latest 2026 method. Whether you want to improve your account security or simply update your password, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Sign into your Canva account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Canva home page, click on your profile picture or account icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, click *** settings ***. In the settings page, select ** login and security * from the menu on the left. Scroll to the * password * section and click * update * or change password ***, depending on the version of Canva you're using. Canva may ask you to enter your current password first to verify your identity. Canva 1. Next, type your new password. Re-enter the same password in the confirmation field to make sure it matches. For better security, choose a password that's at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Avoid using easy-to-guess information like your name or birthday. YouTube 2. After entering your new password, click ** save ** or update password ***. If the password is successfully changed, Canva may sign you out of your account. Simply sign in again using your new password. YouTube 2. If you signed up for Canva using Google, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, or another single sign-on provider, you may not have a separate Canva password. In that case, you'll need to change the password for the account you used to sign in, rather than changing it directly in Canva. Open Canva Documentation 3, and that's it. Your Canva password has now been updated. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.